Hi everyone, in today's video, we are breaking down on topic Chapter 3 Compound Interest and Chapter 4 Annuity in the simplest way possible. Before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Maximilian Maringa and I'm Matthew. My student ID is 2025698798 from class BM1191B.
Hello, my name is Siti Balkis binti Shirin and my student ID is 2025400748.
Hello, my name is Tepi Teresa Anasidi and my student ID is 2025460976.
Hello, my name is Vanessa Selena and my student ID is 2025882608.
So since everyone have introduced themselves, so grab some notes, stay focused and let's learn this together.
Compound interest is the interest on deposit or a loan calculated based on both the initial principal and all of the accumulated interest from previous period.
Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals at time. Annuity can also be defined as equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time.
Question 1. Ms. Rafana invested Rm75,000 in Platform Y and 25,000 in Platform Z for duration of 50 years and 10 years respectively. Platform Y offered an interest of rate 3.15% compounded biannually, and Platform Z offered 2.05% compounded every 2 months. For question A, calculate the total amount accumulated from both investments. But before that, we need to identify the key information from the situation. And the information that we got from Platform Y is P equal Rm75,000, K equal 0.0315, M equal B, which means biannually, and T equal 50 years. And for Platform Z, we got P equal Rm25,000, K equal 0.0205, M equal B, which means B monthly, and T equal to 10 years. And after we got the information from the situation, we need to identify the formula, what kind of formula that we should use. And based on this, the formula we use is S equal P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket MT. And after we got the formula, we must insert the information into the formula. In last, you will got answer for both platforms. For Platform Y, you will got 119,857 and 77 cents. Meanwhile, for Platform Z, you will got 30,677 and 41.
Question B. After 84 months, the interest rate changed to 3.25% compounded quarterly for Platform Y and 2.20% compounded biannually for Platform Z. Question 1. Find the total amount accumulated from both investments at the end of the investment periods. First, let's identify the information we got from the question. For Platform Y, P equal to 75,000, K equal to 0.0325, M equal to 4, and T equal to 8 years. For Platform Z, P equal to 25,000, K equal to 0.022, M equal to 2, T equal to 3 years. Formula we're going to use for this question is S equal P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket close to the power MT. And then we're going to substitute our information into our formula. After the calculation, you will got for Platform Y 97167.62. For Platform Z, you will got 26696.05. Question 2. Find the total interest earned from both banks. The formula we're going to use for this one is I equal to S minus P. For this question, we're going to use the answer we got from the question 1. After the calculation for Platform Y, you will got 22167.62. And for Platform Z, you will got 1696.05.
Now, let's look at question A. It was stated that we should find the value of the monthly repayment. Before we solve the questions, we need to identify the keywords. From the text, they already gave us A equals to 100,000 ringgit, K equals to 0.042%, M equals to 12, and lastly, T equals to 108/12. The only missing information we have is R. This is the formula that we will use. Now, let's jot down all the informations into the formula and then solve it. You will get the final answer, which is R equals to 1,113 ringgit 53 cent. Now, let's move on to question B. We want us to calculate the amount of interest charged by Bank KK. Amount of interest means we should look for I. This is the formula that we will use. Once again, change all the keywords with the given information from the question A, solve it, and then we will get the final answer, which is I equals to 20,261 ringgit and 24 cent. For question C, we won't use the first formula, but instead we use this formula. As usual, fill in the keywords with the previous answers, and that's left with finding S. Before that, for the MT, instead of using 12 and 108/12, we change it into 6 because of the 6th payment. Once again, solve it, and then you get the final answer, which is S6 equals to 6,739 ringgit 91 cent.
So now we proceed with question D. After making a payment for 7 years, she decided to settle the loan with a single payment. For the first question, find the value of the single payment. So the information we get here is R equal to 1,113 ringgit and 53 cent, K is equal 0.042, M is compounded monthly, which is 12, T is 9 minus 7, we have 2 years. And the formula we use here is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I to the power of negative n. Then we divide it with I. So I is K over M, meanwhile N is M times T. So we substitute all information we have here into this formula. And the answer we will get is 25,590 ringgit and 16 cents. For the second question, she will withdraw all her money from the mutual fund to help pay off the loan in full. Find the amount she can withdraw from the mutual fund. So the information we have here is R equal to 5,000, K is 0.09, M is compounded semi-annually, which is 2, T is 9 minus 7, we have 2 years. So the formula we can use here is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided with I. So we substitute all the information we get from this question into this formula, and then the answer we will get is 17,937 ringgit and 63 cents. For the last question, calculate the total dividend she earned from the investment in the mutual fund. So the formula we use here is I equal to NR minus A, which is N is 24, R is 1,130 ringgit and 53 cents minus with A 25,590 ringgit and 60 cents. And then we will get 1,134 ringgit and 56 cents.